So today me and my buddy Tony did some shopping and we got a shit ton of ammo for 45, 44, 9mm. We got some slugs too. I also went and got a Mossberg Maverick 88 pump shotgun. I haven't even opened it up yet. Oh, let's get a look at it. This is factory new. So you got a manual, we got a lock for it. That's nice. Oh, here it is. I believe it is a 5+1. It's got a release, okay. There we go. So short. I think it's about a 16-inch barrel. Yeah, very short. Very nice. Price tag was about $250 at the store. And so it's raining today, but here soon we're gonna go out and do some test firing with some slugs and some clay shot. This is the Maverick 88. I loaded up 5 shots. It's 5, 1 in the chamber. And yeah, here we go.
Don't
hold it up
face,
high. Yeah,
dude.
I'm like, eh. No.
Yep. Yeah.
Yes, yeah. Shoulder in.
Yeah.
Should I like stand like I shoot a pistol or like from the side?
Don't do that.
No?
Don't do that. No.
Okay.
Well.
Are those slugs?
No, it's target.
Why is it? Is that just like the wad?
Yeah, it's the wad. Because you can see the peppering of all the target shot around it.
Wow, the wad does damage.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
I don't know the amount of force it actually has, but yeah, it definitely busts up paper.
Oh, I didn't load it. There we go. And are they good? Yeah, they're good. Okay. That's fun. That's a fun banger. And then we got to load in some slugs and see if we can't hit any long distance shots. Probably not, but you know.
We see.
Oh, hit the ground. That's all she wrote.
All right, this is my first no stock shotgun experience. We got some target load in here. Let's see how she rolls. Holy shit, that kicks, bro. I wasn't expecting that. Oh, dude, that's killer. That's killer on your hand, bro.
Oh, it's not the worst.
That's kind of bad.
The 44 in the shotgun, you guys.
Oh, dude, no.
You guys. Now, it's time for these low recoil rifled slugs. Let's see if they're a little less recoil than the target load you had, but try to get center mass of the yellow tape in the middle of our box. I think that's a good target.
Oh.
Safety. There we go.
Okay, and we're all good.
Ready to roll.
Ready to rock.
Oh.
Oh, doggy! That's got a lot more kick. Okay.
Nice.
Is that center?
Yeah, pretty center.
That one was center.
God.
It's not that bad.
But it definitely moves the most rocks.
Oh, like makes it move, like it fly out.
Explode.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna get the box in the back. The
Okay.
UPS box. At the top of it, I think.
Yeah, through the top of it.
Better.
Better. Okay. You knocked her over. Good job.
So now that I actually have gloves on, I actually enjoy the pistol grip. It's all hard plastic, it's not rubberized, so a little layer actually helps. But yeah, that's fun. That's pretty fun, Tony. Firing.
Yep.
Yar, give me all your loot, pussy. You like SpongeBob? Yippee-ki-yay. Apple bottom jeans. Be responsible. Listen to your parents. Hasta la vista, baby.